wash
You
up
know
here.
everything go on.
Yeah.
All correct, but you know everything go.
A wire loom that you must fix it. And the wire loom, it have to start out properly because one strand and carry the company frame, it cause fire.
So if it's not the right wire, it's going to cause the motorcycle to light on fire.
Yeah. You are right and all and that's something. You hear the bike but when you take a
Looks like it's a fire right now. Can I say your name?
Yeah.
Pal.
Can't believe it.
How do you know what hooks to what?
I know.
You just know. You better not let me do it because it'll be all be all burning up and everything. You know?
Fire.
Yeah. You want to talk about the motorcycle starting on fire? You burn up for true.
Yeah. Alright, watch it again, watch it.
But well
Let me show you
sensitive.
something. Let me show you something. How that car can come. You see that?
Yeah.
Short circuit and you can watch it. The wire the bus, that's you know, this wire bus.
Yeah.
And the one the bus, so two of them wrap together. It's that next fire that. You see me I say? So I'm going to do it properly and more the back circuit.
Look, can't find yeah.
It's very necessary when them pull out this accident. I told them that goes up there and cause fire. You know?
Yeah.
See, when you got a bike man that knows all this, you're going to stick with him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My trouble was, I stuck with him, but I would drop every time. He couldn't fix the drop. He couldn't fix. What are you doing? You couldn't fix it, so I didn't drop.
Oh, God.
It seems like,
Coming out, I will get you coming out.
It seems like-
Jam coming out.
it seems like you wired it wrong, so I would drop every time.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for watching Red Button Journal
Yeah.
on YouTube. Madge isn't with me, just Tom and my good friend who is. He's just
Well,
Yeah.
okay, Papel. I can
Yeah,
say
Tom.
it. I didn't know I could say it on YouTube because this is going to be on live.
yeah. Baba Tunde, you know?
Huh?
Baba Tunde.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, man.
Look at him work. Look at him work.
Holy for life, brother. Holy for wire.
And then he's going to burn it.
Yeah.
Oh, so he can hook the next wire to it.
You say no, Papa. The black wire now. I like. Eh? So the black wire.
Look, it's up there. You work with it.
This is the same man.
Live I read.
It's the same man that fixed Wayne's wheelchair so it would work.
I'm big Daniel wheelchair
The
around there
brake
now.
was stuck. The brake was stuck.
Okay.
And the best part of that whole video was when Papel was driving the wheelchair up and down the
Hey,
road.
me turn it up over there now. Me not wheelchair, Daniel wheelchair now.
Can I show you
Body
your
of walk and I down to the picture.
Yeah, can I show your face right now?
Yes.
Okay. That's Papel.
General man.
Everybody gonna love this video. I'll clean it up. Make the audio real good, you know.
Yeah.
Make the colors real nice. And I'll do a short, you know. Let's see how long it's going.
Okay, and that is it coming up. When you look on the wire, when the people was the wire then pan, brother.
Look at those wires.
I'm say, yo, cut off this thing and so I'm going to say.
If me never did know me, I don't know that for the battery, see? Go the battery and the bike could have gone up here.
Okay.
I gotta do it this way because
Yeah.
it's gonna be a full length video now.
What is it? Come on, son. This is kind of fun.
What, you keep it straight by the colors?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go on this.
So what was the problem with the motorcycle? You don't want to tell me because it's a trade secret or what? It's a trade secret.
You don't want to tell them because it's a trade secret.
Yeah.
Trade secret.
Yeah.
You don't want everybody to know, and then they can steal the secret, and then they can start their own business.
Necessarily somebody will know the trick what are the day.
Yeah, are you ever come and learn it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the way you work on a motorcycle in Jamaica, right here.
Yeah.
And this man here is the very best that I know of in the whole country, you know?
Come on, son.
The only thing he couldn't do was keep my motorcycle from dropping every minute. You know? He could make it run.
Bambi, are you listen, you know?
He could make it run. But he couldn't keep it from dropping every minute.
Hey, last time town the go to come down the purple. Down tears are going up.
And I laugh.
Don't touch me. Don't touch down laugh.
I'm laughing. The motorcycle on top of me.
I can listen up to the point of
And the man's got so mad because she said you could get hurt the motorcycle. I said, yeah, I could get hurt, but I'm not hurt.
Yeah.
So it's funny.
Yeah.
But
Same boy them. Yeah man, alright.
so
Cool man, I tell her.
Pep,
Come and take off
in layman's terms, what was the problem with this motorcycle?
Huh?
What was the problem here that you're fixing?
Wire.
Which one I
It's the wire.
Yeah, why them burn up and kiss up and after
So the motorcycle wasn't running.
put them back together.
Okay.
Make everything active.
Okay.
Real active.
Yes,
So then everything okay.
No sir, nobody looking.
Come on, sir.
Nobody looking, so I don't know how
Bantal, mine ain't going to chat. We have fire over bush there, Bantal. Careful.
I can't stay man, yeah.
Alright. This ain't going to be a very long video.
Yeah.
Yeah, very long.
It's going to be a big up yourself,
Yeah.
bless up yourself
Say yes.
later, and
Amen.
amen. That's right.
Give God thanks.
Give God thanks because Papel can do us. My goodness sakes.
You know his thing, that is the greatest.
He knows it. He knows his motorcycle business. Because you know, when I first got my motorcycle, the very first day,
Yeah.
I decided to celebrate a little bit and have a beer.
Yeah.
Well, I hadn't ridden a motorcycle in like 40 years, and so I drank a little red stripe with that to celebrate.
But
I crashed. You know who I crashed into? You know who I crashed into? Martel. Martel, Papel's dad.
Yeah.
And
Oh, you know that your father too?
no, I didn't know him before.
Okay.
And he says, don't worry, Uncle Tom.
Yeah.
He says, I know a really good motorcycle mechanic that can fix you right up.
Yeah.
He happens to be my son. And the rest was history because my wife told me, she said, you gotta get rid of that motorcycle because you drop every minute, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah.
And so me and Papel worked out a deal
Yeah.
so I wouldn't drop every minute. Yeah. I did a whole video one other time with Papel, you know. Yeah. Because he's very
talented man.
He's very talented.
Yeah man.
He's not very talkative though. You notice he doesn't say
I'm
nothing.
concentrate, you know?
He has to, and I'm trying to confuse him and have him make a mistake.
we
And I
are-
want to see a big fire
Try
here.
to confuse them.
Yeah.
Make a mistake.
When
No mistake.
you're doing hose wiring and connecting wire, you have to be careful because those wires coming like when you're setting a time bomb. One mistake, explosion.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
We don't want an explosion.
So you got to do it the right way.
He just throws it all inside there. Now, pal, you gonna have an explosion?
Yeah.
All right, we can
All right, let me cut this off because it's a nice little video. So, pal, say, be sure and like, share, comment, subscribe to Red Button Journal. Say it. Say it. Say it. Pal, say, like, share, comment, subscribe to Red Button Journal.
Eh?
Like, share, comment, subscribe. subscribe to Red Button Journal.
Yeah. I like, share, comment.
Like, share, comment. For the Red Button General.
Yes. Okay, very good.